Hello from Slovenia. I just want to show you what is left on my surface when I do this dip for my injection dip with Rinskedowna, and I will leave this here to dry like I leave this. You see, I already cut it out, but it's not completely dry. This is for from my dip with new pouring medium, testing new pouring medium, and this what stays here is so gorgeous too. So I just see that I have one hair on it. I will get it out when it will be dry. It's dry here on the sides but not in the middle. And this one, I think it's just gorgeous. Why we couldn't get this on the canvas instead of our plastic? I have to figure out how to do this. Maybe if no, I will not talk, so because I learned that maybe I should keep something for myself and just do it, because some of YouTubers obviously just wait to try something first that you maybe came up with and doesn't give you a credit for this. So I will not tell you, just wait and see. I just want to show you this because I was so impressed with this. I just love these details. You see how this is, I don't know, just gorgeous. So I will definitely try to get this on canvas too. But as I told you, I will use this as a skin for something, maybe a painting, I don't know, I will see, or on some wooden box. But I will definitely use this because it's gorgeous. So I just want to show you this because I couldn't resist. So have a nice day and see you on the next one. Bye.